Hi guys, and welcome to another Elementor video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we're going to continue on with our Elementor Ecommerce store build here. In the last video we installed the WooCommerce plugin and configured it, went through it. In this one, let's brand our site. Let's add a logo to our nav bar up here, and we'll add a favicon to our site too. The favicon's this little sticker that you see on the tabs of a web browser. Really easy to do, so let's get it done. So you can either go to your dashboard and go down to Appearance, Themes, Customize, or you can just hit the Customize that's at the top of the page up here. Alright, and here we are. And we want to go down to Site Identity. Here's the site title and a tagline we put in. Now it says logo here. Let's select a logo. And you need to drag a logo to your media library. The one I've just created a couple of logos in Photoshop. I know not everybody has Photoshop. There's a great alternative. I think it's called GIMP. I've not tried it, but a lot of people tell me you can do the same with it as you can with Photoshop, and I'll put that link below this video in case anybody wants to use that. But I've got a logo here. The logo, it's 300 by 100. Doesn't matter. You just want to keep it fairly small. And I've got the favicon, this little sticker that goes up here. And because it can be a retina, you can make this 512 by 512. In fact, they require you that it can be no smaller than 512. So I'm going to drag my logo up to the media library here. There we have it. And all images, if you'll notice up there, they have a little alt text box. Now really that should be a description of your whatever the image is, but a lot of people do use it for putting keywords in. I don't know how effective that is, but a lot of people still do it. I think it works pretty good for local SEO and what have you, so that's something to bear in mind. So we'll select this. Just going to stretch this out so we get the whole of the logo. I'm not sure if that makes a difference or not, because I'm going to go ahead and say skip cropping. And there it is. Our logo has just appeared at the top there, and you can see it up here. That's fantastic. But I don't want the tagline there because it kind of looks a bit stupid to me anyway. So simple fix, just select it and delete it. There we go. That's a little more like it. Alright, and if we go down a little bit, you've got your site icon, which is what I was talking about, the favicon, the site icon up here. And it says 512 by 512. Well, that's what I've done, so drag that in there. And there we have it. It's up in our little browser tab there. Really easy to do, and that's pretty much our site branded. So that was a short and sweet video. I hope you found that useful. First, I better publish this, I suppose, or it won't remain there. So great, in the next video we'll start creating some products for our WooCommerce and start putting our site together. So once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.